Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing to share with you guys. Cynthia sent me some happy mail. It's actually not a full-on unboxing because I already opened the box. This is actually one of the videos that I had filmed but didn't hit the record button because Hershey Boy was barking. So I have to refilm it again. So here I am, but it's always exciting to see happy mail. Especially for the second time around because you get to really digest and see like what you got. So anyways, I'm so grateful for Cynthia. Thank you so much for sending me this sweet mail. I super appreciate you, and I'm so excited to share you guys the loads of goodies that she got me. She got me so many amazing things. And anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Here we are. The first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is this beautiful Belle glasses case. It is so cute. I love it so much. It has like this ivory color background and it's just absolutely gorgeous. And you can always throw some pens in here if you're not really a glasses kind of person. It just makes a cute pen case. I'm sure pens fit in here. Stick it in your planner bag and boom, you got a good little pouch to go. The next thing that I'm going to share with you guys is this really cute girl boss sign that it's for the desk. So I'm going to put it on my computer and I love this. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It's like a glass and like a ceramic glass and it says girl boss and it has that Ray Dunn vibe. So super cute. Love that. And then the next thing, she had loaded this bag with a whole bunch of things. And so I just left the washi tape in here. I had pens and all kinds of fun stuff. And it's super cute. It's a princess theme. Again, it has the yellow dress for like Belle. And it's just so cute. It's kind of like a mesh bag. And it's a really good size. You can fit a ton of stuff. And if you're the kind of person that doesn't want your planner to get dirty, if you have like a pocket size or a micro size, your planner will definitely fit in a bag like this. So that's another good idea for you to use. So I'm going to share with you guys all of the washi tape that she sent me in here. Just going to put it out. Alright, so over here we have this one right here. It has some fun little hearts with like summer bright colors. And then this one has the air balloons, really cute, and it has the dog with the balloons lifting him up. And then here we have a koala theme, super adorable. Here we have like a character theme. This one's so cute, it kind of reminds me of Shine Sticker Studio. And then over here we have little characters, but it's like a birthday theme. And then this is a beautiful gold and pink and white chevron. I love that. This one is a coffee theme, super pretty. It's a thin washi. This one says it's a planner thing. It's so cute and it has washi tape. Hey, this is actually the one that rolled away and I didn't get to see it. That's so cute. I love that. All right, so then here we have a Belle themed washi tape, super cute. And then this one is a Cinderella theme. Here is like an ombre one. It starts with like blue and it goes into the green tones. And then here we just have like a decorative white. These have like little squares on them. Really cute. Thin washi is always great to have. This one is white with some gold pineapples. I love that. You guys know I love pineapples. This one is beautiful. It is like a super soft blush pink with glitter. Looks so pretty. And then here's one that's silver with some stars. And then the paperclip one. So really cute. Thank you so much, Cynthia. I'm super excited. I keep saying this, but I still have yet to organize all of my washi tape. So then over here we have some pens. She sent me a collection of pens. Oh my goodness. But before we go into these, let me show you guys the card. Are you done barking, Hershey? Oh my goodness, he's so loud. It's because everybody keeps coming in and out of the hallway. Alright, so here we have a ton of pens, but before I share these, let me show you guys the card that she sent, and it says Empowered Women, and I love it. It's so cute. It serves like a really cute dashboard. So over here we have some beautiful gem pens. This one's a purple with a pink gem at the top. Super gorgeous. This one is a blue with a blue gem at the top. This one's really cute. It looks like a little disco ball and it's pink and it has silver rhinestones. It's absolutely beautiful. Alright, this one is a blush pink and it's really cute. It has like a little crystal ball at the top, and it's just so pretty. Here we have an orange pom-pom pen, which is gorgeous. I don't have one. Perfect for like summer spreads. This one is a super bright pink pen, or a hot pink pen. It's so cute. I love it. This one has a Minnie Mouse, and it's a click one. It's so pretty. This one has a set of 3, and it has a marker. It actually has 2 markers for like hand lettering, and then an ink pen in black. This one has a pink ink pen, and then the yellow and pink markers for hand lettering. Super cute. I love those. I love pens. They're just so pretty. And then the next set of stuff is some Valentine's Day stuff, which is really cool. But actually, you know, for me, I feel like with hearts, you can kind of use them all year round. So if you have some in your stash, they're perfect for crafting and creating all kinds of fun decor in your planner. So here we have some table scatter, and these are pink and red, and they're glittery, and they come in different sizes. These are felt stickers, and again, they're pink, red, and white, and they come in different sizes. It's so cute. You get 100. This one is 60. Here we have some cupcakes, really cute, and they are felt. It has little rhinestones at the top. Here we have some Happy Valentine's Day stickers. I love puffy stickers. This one has the XOXO, so you got some shimmery ones and some solid ones. And then some Valentine's Day rhinestones. So we got the pink and the reds and all different colors, and there's even some silver ones in there. And then here we have some pink doilies, count of 20. Beautiful. I love doilies. And then here we have some red ones. Super cute. People sent me this really cute tabletop decor spell, and it's so pretty. It looks like a diamond at the bottom, and it has the globe at the top, and it's just so cute. I love it. So then the next set of things are some Carpe Diem. These are some stickers, and you get a whole bunch. So really, really cute. I love these. These look like functional stickers. And then here's some of those decorative quote stickers. Really pretty. Again, they're from Carpe Diem. Here's another little set. Super cute. I used them in my monthly, and I loved it. Here we have another set. Really, really pretty. And then here we have some Good Vibes Carpe Diem sticker books. So there's a lot of fun mini stickers in here. You get a whole bunch. This one is the Bloom mini tablet pack. Really cute as well. I love these. And then here is a little set of Carpe Diem dashboard pocket cards. These I love to throw in my planners. I think they make a cute little way of adding into the pockets and just decorating. It's always fun to have some motivating quotes. And then the next set of things are some pearls and gems and rhinestones. And you guys know I love all that stuff. So here we have some white sparkle gems in the pearl color. And some of them actually started falling, but it's okay because you can always hot glue them down. And then here we have some red heart rhinestones. Here we have some of the light, it almost looks like a light pink purple. Really pretty. And then here we have these beautiful fun pastel colors. I love these as well. Some more white pearls. And then here we have the smaller version enamel sticker dots of these. Really pretty. Then we have some more white pearls, but these are smaller. We got the blue ones and some red ones, some soft pink ones, and the teal blue ones. Really cute. I love that. Thank you so much, Cynthia. She also sent me 2 sets of little washi holders, washi card holders. They're so cute. I love the little decor. I love these. And they have little holes so I can put them into a planner if I wanted to. Here we have some more gems. This one actually has the shape of a rainbow. Really pretty. Get a set of 2. And then some silver heart ones and some purple ones. Really pretty. Alright, and then the next set of things are the journal books or the planner books. You guys know I love to use these in my planner, and thanks to Cynthia because she has definitely hooked me up with a lot of them, and I'm just so grateful that she picks them up every time and she thinks about me. This is a set of 3, and I love these for my TNs. So here we have another little set. This is like a garden theme. Here we have another unicorn, and then another unicorn set. I love those. Next we have a set of adhesive pockets. Oh my goodness, I get so excited. I mean, adhesive pockets, you guys, these are my jam. I love these. And I have an extra set of 4 in these smaller ones. And there is a count of 20. So Cynthia, thank you so much for hooking it up. I love these. You know, I definitely use these. And there we have that. All right, next we have a set of notebooks. So here we have some journaling notebooks. Again, these are the larger size. I like to make TNs out of these. Really pretty. You get a set of 3. And this one has the lemon, the Monday through Friday, and then the floral one. Really pretty size. Here we have the Life is Sweet. Super cute. This one has like macaroons and ice cream and desserts. Really pretty. And then I definitely love to use these notebooks for work. I just started a new one, and I think I've already used maybe like 4 or 5 of the notebooks because I use them for work and I write a lot of notes. Here we have this one. It's really pretty because it opens up that way, and it says shine, and it's in blue. It comes with a really pretty pen. Here we have this one. It has a silver and white border, and it has Glam Life in pink, and it's so cute. And then next we have some sticky notes. Oh my gosh, every time she sends me these, I get so hyped because I love to use them in my planners. And this one is the notes. And I actually think I don't have this one. Maybe I do, but it doesn't look familiar. I love this one so much. Maybe I'm hoarding it. This one is the Just Believe in Your Dreams, the rainbow theme. So pretty. And then here we have the Sweet Vibes, which is all the dessert. Look at how cute this is. And then here we have the Do Not Worry with the donut theme. And then the Hello Beautiful with the makeup theme. I love these, Cynthia. Thank you. Thank you so, so much. And then she also sent me some stickers. Alright, so here we have a fun little foodie sticker sheet, really cute. And then here we have some coffees. I love using the coffee icons. And then here we have a sticker from Paper Studio. It's a summer theme, which is really cute because summer is already coming up. Sorry for all the glare. I think my table just needs to be in a different location, but because it's in the dining room, it's literally like right above the light. So I moved it a little bit, but it's still a lot of glare. Anyways, here we have the unicorn one, super cute. And then you guys, look at how gorgeous this is. I'm obsessed. It's by Paper House, and it says Janison Reed Designs, and it's like an office girl boss kind of theme. I love it. I'm obsessed with that one. Here we have the Sugar Gal Shop. So cute, obsessed. I love her stickers. And then here we have a Dollar Tree one. I actually don't have this one. I bought it for a giveaway, but I never got one for myself. And look at how cute this is. I love this. So pretty. And then here we have another one, but this is kind of like the doggy theme. Look at how cute that is. I mean, Dollar Tree is really coming up. I actually bought a few stickers myself. It's a really small haul, but if you guys still want me to post it, let me know. Leave it in the comments down below. I'd be happy to share it. I haven't put anything away yet. It's just been sitting there. And then here we have a cute little planner sticker sheet. Look at how cute these are. These has like little half boxes. And it's really pretty because it's like a summer gearing towards, or like a spring gearing towards summer. So really cute. And then here we have this one. It's 1 Ton in a Million by Craft Smart. So really pretty. Look at how cute these are. It's almost like a kawaii design. I love these. So pretty. So pretty, so pretty. And then here we have one by Sweet Kawaii Design. I think they sell these at Michael's, if I'm not mistaken. I love these. So cute, perfect for mini planners. If you guys have any of my planners that I've sold, little stickers like these fit perfect. Here we have some more. Look at how cute that is. I love this. So pretty. And then here we have another foodie sticker, almost like a kawaii theme. Here we have another sticker book. And let's see, it has alphas and it has blue and green stickers. Really pretty. This one's an all black and white theme, pretty sure. So it has black alphas and a lot of black and white functional stickers. This one is so cute. It's like a spring theme. Really, really pretty. Love it. Look at how cute those flowers are. And then here we have some more Carpe Diem sticky notes. It is a dashboard and it's called Bliss, but you can fit this in a personal size 6-ring planner. But I like to take out the sticky notes and put them in my TNs. So really cute. Really cute. Alright, next we have some more planner books. This is a set of 3. It's kind of like a Paris vintage theme. I love it. It's so pretty. It has 1 graph book, 1 line book, 1 blank book, and 48 sheets each. So cute. Here are these Shine Sticker Studio books, and it's a set of 2. You guys, I love these. I love these so much. These are my favorite. Here we have this one with Need My Space and the little sloth. And then here we have this one, so cute. And then here we have another one. Yay, she sent me doubles. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with those. And she also sent me the larger adhesive pockets, which I'm obsessed with. I like to cut them down if I put them in a larger planner. And these are just so functional and can be used in many ways. So you get a set of 15 count each, and again they're adhesive pockets, and she sent me 3 packs, so I am good. All right, and then next she sent me 3 notebooks. Here we have this one with the sloth hanging in there, so cute. Again, I love to use these for work. And then here we have another set of journal books with a 3 count, really, really pretty. And then another journal, pumpkin spice, everything nice, so cute. Look at how gorgeous that is. I think I already have one, but no worries, I use them anyway. And then last but not least, we have larger stickers. So here we have some fun Christmas ones. Here are some fun Valentine's dessert ones, but you can always use these all year round. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness. And this one, you guys, this is actually one of the ones that I picked up because of that truck. Do you guys see that truck? Ah, I'm obsessed. I love that. Now I have 2. This one has the little houses. This one has some more cupcakes, and it's a scratch and sniff. A taco truck. This is a perfect theme for like a taco, what is it, Taco Tuesday, if you do like daily journaling or daily planning. Super cool. And then here are some fun stickers, some unicorn theme ones, and then some regular Dollar Tree functional ones. So super, super cute. I love everything. Give Cynthia a big shout out in the comments down below. Let her know how amazing she is. I love you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.